Hello, you're watching a close-up on customization 2 in the FabFitFun Winter Box. If you're new here, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box and shopping club where you can discover and try full-size products from top brands at amazing discounts. If you're already part of our community, welcome back. I'm Tasha. I'm the Director of Brand Marketing at FabFitFun, and today I am joined by April, who is our Director of Beauty on the merchandising team, and we're gonna be chatting through all of the products that you can find in this customization. If you're not a member yet, we will have a special code for you at the end of the show, so let's get into it. We have the iconic London Heat of the Moment Face and Eye Palette.
Okay, so this is such a beautiful palette, and there's nothing missing from this. It has everything that you need to create your winter glam makeup look. So you have 6 different shadows, you have mattes and shimmers, you have a bronzer, a blush, and highlighters as well too. And all of the formulas on here are, again, really buildable, kind of these powdery, beautiful finishes. They give you just a little bit of shimmer, not too much. And it's perfect for whether you're out in the town, going to a holiday party, any, I would say, winter makeup look can be achieved with this palette.
What I love about this is that it does have, like you said, everything that you need, but everything is very wearable. You don't have that one random blue eyeshadow that never gets touched. Everything here is super wearable and usable.
I think that you'll hit pan on every single one.
Yes.
Of these. You'll use them all.
Absolutely. Next, we have the Brocc Your Body Mini Round Ceramic Cocotte Set.
Carissa is one of my favorite content creators. She has the blog Brocc Your Body. When I don't know what to cook, I literally go there and pick one of the recipes. And this is great for homes with small kitchens. It's perfect for all of your baking, individual pot pie needs, lava cake, whatever you would like, you can cook it in here. So this functions like a Dutch oven and has tons of uses in the kitchen. It can handle just about anything you need it to in the kitchen. It also is good in the microwave, in the dishwasher, in the oven. So it's kind of a do-it-all little individual product that you can have in your kitchen.
Yeah, and it's really beautiful. I am dreaming of eating a pizookie in this. Just sounds so nice. Any excuse for a beautiful dessert, I'm all for.
Exactly, with a little dollop of ice cream
in
the middle.
Gosh.
And I like the colors too.
Yes.
I feel like they're perfect and go with every kitchen.
They work for holiday, but it can function during any season, definitely works. Next, we have another Fenty Skin item. This is the Melt Off Jelly Oil Makeup Melting Cleanser.
So Fenty Skin, the theme here is they are helping us have clean skin all winter long. And so what is really unique about this formula is it is a jelly, you can see here, it's like a jelly kind of texture that turns into an oil. And so it has a custom blend of 9 luxe hydrating oils. So it is going to actually take off your makeup. So it's perfect for long wear makeup, waterproof mascara, also SPF, but it's also going to hydrate your skin while it's doing it. And so you'll rub this into your skin, add a little bit of water while you're taking it off, and then it turns into this milky kind of consistency. Wash it off, nothing's left behind on the skin. You have clean skin that's hydrated, and again, not stripped or super dry.
At the end of the day, I'm usually so exhausted. I just want to get all my makeup off. I'm not taking my time. So it's great that this can be used on your eyes and your lips, and you don't have to worry about
Everywhere, all over the face, rub it in, everything will come off.
And we love those products that transform from one thing to another. So the jelly consistency to an oil.
Absolutely.
So nice.
Absolutely.
Next, we have another beauty product. This is the iconic London Underglow Blurring Primer.
This is my favorite kind of product. It's a blend of a makeup product that also has really skincare forward ingredients. So it's good for your skin while you put it on. It rubs in, so it's a primer that you can put on before you apply your makeup. It's gonna make sure your makeup doesn't move all day. It actually stays on there. It hydrates your skin. It leaves it feeling really soft and smooth and gives it a little bit of that blur. And so it's non-comedogenic, so it's not going to clog your pores. Again, good for the skin ingredients, which we love. And you can use it under makeup, that's the intended use, but you can also use it without makeup if you want that like no makeup look that gives you just a little bit of a glow and also just looks great on the skin. A little bit of that like champagne pearl.
And I know some of our members might wonder if once you put makeup on it, is the shine gonna end up looking greasy?
No, that's what I love specifically about this product is it leaves you with that dewy glow that's not greasy. It's just a little bit of a shimmer, a little bit of dew, but not greasy, not oily.
Beautiful. All right, moving right along. Next up, we have another fashion item. This is the Hunter Tonal Patch Beanie.
Okay, so I think another theme is that this winter we're gonna keep you warm, but we're gonna keep you looking really cute as well too. So
yeah,
this will
no
keep
Michelin
you,
man.
No. You're gonna look cute and be warm. And so we have this Hunter Tonal Patch Beanie. It has this little Hunter kind of tonal patch right here. It also is a single cuff beanie, so you can see it folds up, but it has a stitch here, so it will keep the fold as you wear it. I have some beanies where the fold slips a little bit, so this will keep its shape while you're wearing it. And so this, I feel like, could be perfectly paired with the Barefoot Dreams scarf.
Yes.
You can throw on your scarf, throw on your beanie. And I personally love a beanie when I'm running out of the house. I haven't done my hair. It kind of just makes your look a little bit more finished.
The quality of this is really nice.
Yeah.
It's not just your typical ribbed knit beanie. And what I like to look for is the bounce back on it to know that it's not gonna stretch out.
Exactly.
So, and this one has a really good bounce.
And it's soft. It's soft to the touch
It's
too.
very soft. It's almost
itchy.
as soft as the Barefoot Dreams.
It really is.
Scarf.
It really is. So you'll be soft, chic, and warm
Yes.
with the two of those. Love it.
Next, we have the Blissy Mulberry Silk Sleep Mask in Emerald.
This is a 100% natural mulberry silk sleep mask. And it also comes with a nice little travel pouch. So it's perfect if you are on the go, throwing this in your carry-on. It's gonna keep it clean for you while you are traveling. So it has also a stretch band that secures around your head. It's nice and lightweight, and it almost has like a little bit of padding in here, so it's comfortable to wear, but it's also thick enough that it's actually gonna block the light when you're trying to sleep in on those mornings where you can. And it's perfect also from a beauty perspective because it's so soft and has a little bit of padding. It's not gonna crush your lashes, it's not gonna crush your eyebrows. It's also gonna sit really nicely on top of any skincare that you've put on, so it's not gonna mess up. When you put on your Perricone under eye cream, you can layer this right on top. And it's also not gonna pull the skin too, because it is that 100% silk. It's so soft that it's not gonna pull while
And
you're
it
sleeping.
truly is so soft. It's almost unbelievably soft.
It is. I'm like, I keep petting it almost because it is so soft.
And the color actually matches back to something that we may see in customization one.
Does.
Beautiful, would also make an amazing gift.
Yes.
So pick an additional choice.
For everyone.
And I also love that this is gonna be secure, but not so tight on your head because I like to wear it
Has
when
a little
I'm
give.
Yeah, I like to wear a mask when I'm meditating actually. And I don't wanna be distracted by something like cutting off my brain circulation.
Or when you're sleeping. This will not do that.
Next up, we have the Greg Natale measuring cups.
So we are ready to cook, we are ready to bake, we are gonna make all of the recipes in the Seriously So Good cookbook. And I feel like, at least for me, it's time to upgrade some of my kitchen utensils. I have the same measuring cups that I have had pretty much since college. And so this makes me feel like a real grown-up adult by having really nice measuring cups.
We're not cooking top ramen anymore.
No.
We don't need the ugly measuring cups anymore.
We have beautiful measuring cups now. So there's a set of 4, 1 cup, half cup, a third cup, and a fourth cup. And then they also just stack really nicely too. So when you want to put them away, it won't take up a ton of room in your cabinet.
Yeah, they give Food Network.
Yeah.
I feel I am on my own show making.
Oh yeah, a dash of this, a dash of that.
They're so beautiful, and color-wise, it really matches the KitchenAid.
Oh yeah, absolutely, from Fall Box.
The loaf pan.
I agree, and this is perfect for all of our winter baking cooking needs.
And next up, we have another home item. This is the Open Spaces cookbook holder.
This is the perfect product for your holiday cooking. And so this holds either an iPad or a cookbook. If you're like me, it's just a display cookbook. But if you're actually cooking some holiday meals this winter, you can actually keep it open while you're cooking. So it has a really simple design and structure, and it's also adjustable depending on the width of your book. So if you need a little bit more width here, you just pull it out and it will stay. And then also too, if you want to store it under the counter, or if you have a small space, it stores down really easily. And then you can also clean it too. You can just use a damp cloth, wipe it off, because I know things get a little messy when we're cooking in the kitchen.
It's both functional, but also works as a piece of beautiful home decor.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I think this would look great on the kitchen counter. And some people might want to display like pictures of their family in their home. I want to display pictures of a delicious casserole or cinnamon roll or blueberry tart.
I love it. I need to make that. That looks good.
That is everything that's in customization 2. Thank you for tuning in. That code that I mentioned in the beginning of the show is Winter Close-Up. Have fun customizing your box, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.